Hello, friends. Shape Squad has come up with the most useful set of information for our viewers in this video, which would certainly help you improve different critical aspects of your health, including blood sugar control, weight management, and cardiovascular health enhancement.
We would not waste any of your time by talking about useless redundant stuff, just to increase the length of the video, or to annoy you by asking to subscribe to the channel, even before giving you anything valuable.
So, based on our extensive research across various credible health platforms, including the American Heart Association and the Harvard University, for the ease of our viewers and the urge to provide you with authentic and useful information, we have compiled the list of top 7 low-carb and low-sugar healthiest foods, which, if included in your daily diet and eating routine, would certainly enhance your critical health parameters and ensure longevity all along the years to come in your life. This is Shape Squad, your trusted partner in nutritional health and fitness. We would highly encourage your opinion and experience about any of these foods in the comments. Here we go. Number 7. Non-starchy vegetables. You may be really surprised to know non-starchy vegetables like spinach, kale, broccoli, cauliflower, and zucchini are excellent choices for a low-carb, low-sugar diet. These vegetables are not only low in carbs, but they are also high in fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. The fiber in these vegetables highly aids digestion and helps maintain a stable blood sugar levels. Their nutrient density supports immune function and bone health, and substantially reduces the chronic disease risks. Incorporating a variety of these vegetables into your meals enhances flavor and texture while promoting a balanced and healthful eating pattern. And important for many of us, they also help in weight management by providing a sense of fullness and reducing overall calorie intake. Moving on. Number 6. Olives. Yes, you heard that right. Olives are a savory choice for those on a low-carb, no-sugar diet. Typically, olives contain a small amount of carbohydrates, primarily from fiber, and have no added sugars. This makes them a great fit for low-carb eating plans. They are known for their high content of healthy fats, especially monounsaturated fats like oleic acid. These fats are really beneficial for heart health as they help lower bad cholesterol levels. Plus, olives are also rich in antioxidants, which protect the body against oxidative stress and inflammation. Additionally, they offer essential nutrients like vitamin E, iron, and copper. These nutrients support various bodily functions, including skin health and immune function. Number 5. Fish. Fish, such as salmon, trout, and tuna, are delicious, nutritious, and low in carbs and sugar. A serving of salmon offers minimal carbs and sugar, high-quality protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and vital vitamins like vitamin D. These nutrients support heart health, reduce inflammation, and enhance brain function. Trout and tuna share similar benefits, with trout being rich in B12 and selenium, and tuna known for its omega-3 content and versatility in dishes. Opting for wild-caught fish maximizes nutritional benefits and minimizes environmental contaminants. And now one of my favorite foods in the list. Number 4. Avocados. Did you know? Avocado is a nutrient-rich fruit that's perfect for low-carb and no-sugar diets. A 100-gram serving contains about 2.5 grams of carbohydrates, primarily fiber, resulting in a low net carb content. Avocados are free from added sugars, which is really beneficial for those managing weight or blood sugar levels. They are high in monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, known for heart health benefits, such as reducing bad LDL cholesterol. Avocados also provide essential vitamins and minerals like potassium, vitamin K, E, and various B vitamins. Their fiber content promotes fullness and digestive health. Despite being calorie-dense due to fats, avocados' nutritional profile makes them a valuable addition to a health-conscious diet. And now, number 3, berries. Berries, including strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, offer a sweet taste with relatively low carbohydrate and sugar levels. A cup of strawberries has about 3 grams of carbs, while blueberries and raspberries contain slightly more. Berries are high in dietary fiber, aiding in digestion and weight management. They are packed with antioxidants like anthocyanins, promoting anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties. Rich in vitamin C, manganese, and vitamin K, berries highly support the immune system and bone health. Their antioxidants are also extremely beneficial for cardiovascular health. And now, one of the most potent food of them all. Number 2, nuts and seeds. Yes, nuts and seeds like almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are nutritional powerhouses, ideal for a low-carb diet. Almonds contain about 2 grams of carbs per ounce, while walnuts have slightly less. Chia and flax seeds are higher in carbs but rich in fiber, reducing their net carb impact. These foods provide healthy fats, proteins, and a range of nutrients. Almonds are rich in vitamin E, supporting skin health, while walnuts offer omega-3 fatty acids for brain health. Chia seeds promote digestive health, and flax seeds contain lignans with potential cancer-fighting properties. Nuts and seeds enhance satiety, thus aiding in weight management. While nutritious, they are energy-dense, so portion control is essential for maintaining a balanced diet. So friends, can you guess which food is at the number 1 position in our list? Well, it may surprise many of you, but here it is. Number 1. Coffee and tea. Did you know? Black coffee and unsweetened tea are virtually carb-free and sugar-free, making them really ideal for low-carb diets. Both are extremely low in calories and highly rich in antioxidants, which combats free radicals and reduces the risk of chronic diseases. Caffeine found in both coffee and tea highly boosts your cognitive function, alertness, and mood. It also aids in metabolism and fat burning, thus vastly supporting your weight loss efforts. Regular consumption of coffee and tea has been linked to lower risks of neurodegenerative diseases and improved heart health.
By the way, which of the foods you like the most in this list? And is there any food you thought which should have been in this list? Do tell your opinion in the comments. So friends, as we have revealed the exclusive list of top 7 low-carb, no-sugar foods to you, it does not mean that it's the end of the story. We'll be back really soon with another really helpful and informative video for you. Subscribe now to Shape Squad and do not miss any of the vital info we bring related to your health and wellness. Hit the like button to encourage our efforts we put in for you guys each video. And share it with your family and dear ones if you really care for them too. Meanwhile, check out the vast collection of videos on healthy diet plans, weight loss tips, and much more by visiting our channel homepage. See you in our next video.